Hello everyone, Peter Titterington here, co-founder of Bridgetown Analytics. Today's tutorial is how to take our metrics that we've created and turn them into formulas we can use to do bridging analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. In previous tutorials, I showed you how to upload a file and to create custom definitions or metrics in that file that show how the numerical fields are related to each other. So if you remember, we created like revenue per cake, total cost per order, those sorts of things. So those are building blocks, and we're going to use those building blocks to build formulas that actually feed the bridging algorithm. So first section is kind of file preview, second section is custom definitions, third section is bridge formulas. Now, there's two types of bridge formulas. One is just a simple metric. So here I could choose revenue per order. I'm just going to give it this simple name, revenue per order, and we'll choose just one. We call it the main stat. So I'll create the formula, and boom, I've now created a bridge formula. So you'll see validation successful, or rather single stat, no validation required. It gives me the sample value for the first several rows of the table, so I can check that and make sure it looks reasonable. And this little blue checkbox here is already checked, saying that this formula is now available to use in our bridging. So awesome. So you'll see any of the metrics we've created are available to be single stat bridges. Now, part of the magic of Bridgetown, though, is you can actually relate these metrics to each other, and the algorithm will know how to pick apart the independent contributions those metrics are making to the overall main stat. So to do that, we've got this purple button here called optional add substats. So I'm going to click that. And now you'll see our main stats on the left, revenue per order, equals, and now we've got another expression builder over here on the right. So revenue per order equals, and here's our metrics. So we can build an algebraic expression that is equal to revenue per order, but consists of multiple metrics. So in this case, we'll say revenue per cake, add an operator, times cakes per order, or basket size. So this one I'm going to call revenue per order breakout, and I'm going to create the formula. So when I create the formula, our validation engine is going to go check this expression to see if it's actually true. So yay, validation successful. So you see the main stat is still 60.838, but it's telling us 60.838, which is the revenue per order, equals 35.998 times 1.69, which is revenue per cake times basket size. So that expression is true, and therefore it's eligible for use in our bridging. But of course, we could create one by accident that's incorrect, right? We could call this revenue per order breakout 2 is revenue per cake times total cost per order. Now we know that's not true, but maybe you make a mistake when you're configuring your metrics, or there's an error in your file or something. So if that happens, you'll see validation failed. This metric is not available for use, so it's not checked here, and that's okay. That means the bot has done a good job of not letting you use an expression that's not true. So I'm just going to delete this. And that's how you create bridge formulas. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show us how to use these bridge formulas to actually do analysis on this file. So I hope you'll show up for the next one, and happy analysis, happy bridging, everybody. Bye.